So another Monday.
Another Monday, raining, winter storm warning. We'll eventually not talk about the weather and it'll just be sunshiny this summer, but you know, it's March in Utah.
It's the first day of spring.
Yeah.
So at least it's
snow.
Yeah, at least it's not like super snowy. We're excited. We're looking for small items because we've had some bigger items that we've had to ship, and so we're gonna try to scale back. So we'll see what we find. Apparently this is very serious business because Zeb is quickly passing me and getting out to the yard. What do I see? Looks like they're the newer ones, but I'll take them. There are 5. It's always encouraging when I get a good find right off the bat. So happy for these ones.
Well, it looks like someone liked that tin that I passed on because I don't see it here this morning. Got some, this is a great little tote. Loving that. Also, I like this shelf. This is wood. Usually they're plaster. I'm not sure what this is actually. Is this like a little doll cradle without its mattress? Some sort of tote. It can be used as a handle, but it's got this big base on it. How much is it? That'll determine if I like it enough to take it home. Oh, it was part of something bigger. $4.
All right. This is an anthropology book. And it's a tea. We haven't had one before, so I'll pick it up. The last time we came, we left a giant key and everybody was sad. So I think I'm gonna pick this one up. It's only $2 and it seems to be cast something. This is probably the scariest little paint job I've ever seen, but oh, somebody made it. It's $1, so I think I'm gonna pick it up and paint it. Usually the wood section has something that I'm interested in. This one's cute, has potential, it's $1. But I'm not really seeing anything else that interests me. They have quite a bit of frames here, but I'm gonna let Zeb see if there's anything he wants because he's the frame guy. He's been doing really good picking out fun ones to put prints in. Although, I do like that one, so I'm gonna pick that up for $1.50. That's a good deal. All right, so Zeb is over there, which means he's already left the yard area, so we'll see if we find anything that he did not pick up. All right, let's see what Zeb left behind. See if there's anything. Oh, that's pretty. I love aluminum dishes, and I like that one a lot. I'm gonna pick that one up. And this is cool. We said we weren't getting big things, but this is not too big. $3, I'm gonna pick that up. See if there's anything else that I need to have. Oh, I'm interested in this. Let's see what it says at the bottom. Oh, made in the USA. I'll take it. Zeb's parents are having their 50th wedding anniversary. Apparently he did not want to gift this to them. I almost kind of want to buy it just to be funny. Look at all these clocks he passed up. I'm shocked. So lately all the greenery has been mostly Christmas, but I like this. Oh, maybe not. These are really plasticky. I'm gonna pass. Kind of sad. I need some more greenery for the shop, but maybe next time. Clearly Zeb has not been to the small clock section because what do I spy? We just bought one like this recently. This one's only $5. I'm gonna pick that one up. This is so cute. I'm gonna see if I can find something to put it on. It's only $1.50. I think that fits perfectly. There's like a blue plate underneath though. I might try that one. What do you think? So I'm looking for something to put underneath that plate to make it a pedestal. I'm thinking this one. This one's too tall. We'll see what it looks like. What do you think about this marriage?
I think it's pretty good. Are you gonna glue it or epoxy it?
Yeah, it's $4 for the 3 pieces.
Nice. Yeah, I think that works.
These are really cute little mugs. They're $1 each, but I think I'm gonna pick them up. There's like 4 of them. What do you have here, sir? What does that have a heart in it? Or
no, not a heart.
Okay.
I don't know. It was on top of something else at one point because it's. You can see where
it was probably a cradle, maybe.
All right, riddle me this though.
Yeah.
Why?
So it can go both ways?
I don't know. I guess you got plain side or fancy side.
Look, next level. You'll have to paint all the sides if you buy that. Apparently grilling season's coming.
It's gonna be here sooner than later.
In case anybody was wondering, there is a giant blue grape set at the Saratoga DI, just waiting for somebody to pick it up. So you heard it here first. All right, so what was the grand total, Zeb?
$64.
$64. And also this tried to run away just like last week. It's downhill.
It's the only thing about this Deseret Industries thrift store is the parking lot's on a hill.
That's $64, one cart full. I still think we might need a few more small things, but we got a meeting, so.
I feel like we can work on that throughout the week.
Yeah, well, we need a little thrift therapy.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are back at home with the thrift haul. It is Wednesday morning. I have no makeup on, but I wanted to show you kind of the reality of running a thrift business. We have the dresser that needs to go to the shop, the painted items, and thrift flips. I'll kind of show you what we've got there. And eventually we're hoping to get these put in our shop, like in a second floor space where we can keep them organized and not all over my dining table. But right now that floor doesn't even have electricity because we haven't rewired it. And so this is what happens every week. So yesterday we painted this. This will get photographed. This will go in the garage and that will go to the shop. Here are all the items that you saw us thrift. I don't think it's enough for an entire haul. We usually like to have between 40 and 50 items. So we'll either go thrifting again, or I might go shop my barn or my junk pile because I have quite a bit. Usually I do like a little short video showing all of our painted thrift flips, but not everybody watches both the short and long videos. So I thought it'd be fun to just give you guys a little tour of what it looks like after I paint it, because a lot of people say, well, that's not high-end decor. I mean, well, actually these probably wouldn't be considered high-end. They look like old paint buckets, which is the idea, but old world paint finishes, things like that, people don't quite grasp it when they see it in our thrifting cart. And this gives you an idea of what can be done with the items that we junk, because these are all the painted items from last week, and actually that chair is from a few weeks ago. And people always tease me about my paint buckets that I paint, but that paint bucket I spent, I think, €45 on in 2019. And I love the way it looks on my mantle. It's absolutely one of my favorite like finds ever. And so I'm always trying to recreate that look. Anyways, there you have it. So we happen to be in Salt Lake. We're at what they call Welfare Square. This is where the church like holds a bunch of grain, and they have a Deseret Industries thrift store. So we're gonna take you along with us. Here's the building where they process the grain and like put everything in cans and whatnot. All right, we're headed to the yard area first. Every thrift store is set up a little different, but there are a lot of things that are the same. So we're gonna check it out and see what we find.
A bunch of plastic pieces.
That is, that's next level there, but I'm gonna say no. I do like this bust here. All right, Zeb has found his first victim of the day.
I might just keep this for myself and keep it in the barn.
On the carts now, and $2. Solid wood bowl. I'm gonna pick that up. Here's a cute Ray Dunn mug. I love it. It says love you, and it's black, so I'm gonna pick it up. All right, I'm definitely gonna pick up this. It's kind of plain. It's $2. It's $2. I can't even talk. But it's really cute when you put a transfer on it. What'd you find there, Zeb?
I just kind of like the shape of this. I don't know that. I mean, it's a repop, right? It's not old.
It looks kind of grungy.
Yeah. It's old.
Oh, I do like these. I've actually sold a few sets of them. It's Joseph Smith and Brigham Young. If you're not from Utah or LDS, you probably have no idea who they are. But I just think they look cool painted, and they're bookends, so I'm gonna pick them up. All right, so cooking area sometimes is where I get some of our more fun finds. That's modern.
That one's gross.
Kind of crusty. That one's really crusty.
I'm willing to scrub, but not that much.
I don't love that. I'm not seeing anything I can't live without, which is surprising. Usually I find something. Zeb called me over. Look what he found. It's already sold. And looks like we just missed it too. All right, here's another item on the cart. Let's see how much it is. Don't see a price on it. That's cool. Oh, $4. Yeah, I'm gonna pick that up. So we're coming out to the car and look what we got, little twinners. a 110 Defender, and here's our 130. They're so cute. All right, so look what I scored. Remember how we said it was already bought? They only have an hour to buy it, and whoever bought it didn't buy it, so I'm taking it home. They never come
back, and that happens a lot. Like, they just go to the thrift store, they decide, I don't really want that for that much, and then it just sits back there with the tag, which is why they have the hour limit.
Yeah, so if you're going to Deseret Industries to shop, make sure that you always check the timestamp and then know that they have 1 hour to come back. If they don't come back to claim it, it means they probably just left without buying it, and then you can tag it and buy it. I also scored 2 Guardian aluminum pots for $7 for the pair. At least it's not snowing today. We're headed to our last thrift store of the day. What are you hoping to find?
I don't know. I've been looking for a lot of frames lately, so I'm all about the frames, the cool ones.
Maybe some jungle animals.
We'll see.
So we are straight in the yard area. Oh, shoot, that has a big chip. This would be cute otherwise. I guess I'll have to pass. See if there's anything else. I'm not really seeing a whole lot. We're here late in the day, so I'm not expecting much. So Zeb spies another mirror. You sold your last one.
I think if I did that same finish that I did yesterday, this would be a really great candidate for that.
Yeah, how much is it?
I don't even know. Oh, I'm putting it back. It's 30.
Oh, goodbye, mirror. So the cart is still empty. Let's see what we can find. Cute little Japanese ironstone plate. I'm gonna pick that up. These are cute, except for they say something Salvation Army on them, so I'm gonna pass on those. See if there's anything else. It's probably like an old ashtray, but I love it. And for $1, I think it'd be a great little candy dish. All right, so I'm always looking for like vintage linens, bedding. I love Afghan, so I'm definitely gonna pick up this one and this one. They'll look cute in my cabinet. Debbie would definitely love the prices, $8 and $5. Seb, what are you finding? What'd you get?
So I got a muddler, I got a little candlestick. I actually think I might use this. Remember I told you I got that plate?
I don't think that's big enough.
I think it might be.
I think you need more girth.
I'm still looking.
This is super cute, and I actually bought one not too long ago and sold it, $1.50. I'm gonna pick this up. So Zeb said there's something over here he wants to look at, and I think, yep, it's this clock. How much is it?
$120.
$120?
It's really cool. It's solid wood.
Is it solid wood or is it pressed wood?
No, it's all wood. Like pine.
Oh, it's Ethan Allen.
I wonder if the key is anywhere.
So I'm looking through their Easter stuff, and I don't know why, but these little tin baskets for 75 cents are so cute. I can't leave them. I'm gonna pick up all 3. Found this cute little frame. It feels like it's made of pewter. It's only $1. I'm gonna pick it up. I love little frames. All right, so here's one more little tin for 75 cents. I'm picking up this one too. I also think I want this little bunny bell. I know it's almost Easter, but I can hoard it away for next year. All right, one more tin. I promise this is the last one. It's so cute. All right, so the back of the Land Rover is full. It's starting to rain, so time to go home.
Yeah, it's a little bit of a trip. It's about half hour.
Yeah, but we had to come up here anyways for ink. So at the end of this video, I'll do like a slow-mo pan of all the things for this week's haul, and you guys can let us know if you see anything exciting. Otherwise, we'll see you for the Saturday thrift haul.
Yeah, it'll all be there.
If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Jami Ray Vintage for more
DIY.
Today's thrift haul, we spent about $120. There's so much little tiny things piled all over the place. It's one of those hot mess. Like, I think once it's all painted, it's gonna look good. But for now, nothing matches. So it's the beauty of thrift flipping. You start out with a hot mess, then you get things painted, and they turn out to be pretty cool. Comment below if there's anything you see that's fun, or if there's anything you're like, holy moly, I would not have purchased this.